what is going on? This is Andrew, known as zerodrawdrew from Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. Motivate us to put this content out every single day, every single week. GBPUSD, it is September 7th, Tuesday. GBPUSD, as you can see, sold off overnight from this crown pattern. The 15-minute chart, we do have this trend line right here. We're also watching this major support level at the 650 key level, right? Sellers do seem to be in control right now, but I do believe that we need to come back up and retest this trend line before we see any more downside. We need buyers' liquidity. So basically, for me to take a buy opportunity, I want to see sellers become fully exhausted below this level right here. When there's bear traps to that level right there, we're going to look to smash that buy up to these levels up here. If price does push up first, we're going to wait for, price action to set up for maybe a bull trap for further downside. But looking at the daily sell-off right now, I think bears should continue throughout the rest of the day, and maybe tomorrow we'll get a rally depending on where we're at. So it is still 8:20. We need a little bit more data. We're going to come back at 9 for more data, but like I said, I want to see the bears get fully exhausted below this level right here, and when we come back into the value, we're going to look to smash the buy up to these levels listed. We'll see you in a bit. Let's go. As you can see, it's 9:15 right now. We're still right here. I want to see price trap bears right down here under this 1 minute crown low. If you look right here, on a 5-minute chart, I want to see it drop, come back in, and then squeeze up to these levels right here. We'll be back in a bit. We're looking to enter right there. Let's go. Alright guys, we smashed that buy at the support level. We're going to hold it up to the short squeeze, up to here. We'll be back when that shit hits target. Let's go. As you can see, price is pushing up. All the buyers' liquidity is above here. We're going to hold a little bit longer. Let's go. Alright guys, that is it for the day. We're done. We're securing the bag right here. 25 pips. Good trade. We'll be back tomorrow. Let's go.